Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Samsung Galaxy A05s. Yeah, first of all you need to turn off the phone completely, and if it's completely turned off, no, in the end you will hear a little vibration, then you can connect the phone with your computer, and this is very important. Also pretty important is that the computer is turned on. No? You will see then here the charging symbol, and the phone will start with the charging soon. So we have to wait for that thing. Yeah? Later we will need the power button and the volume up button. So prepare yourself for that. Actually we are still waiting, and now the charging mode is here turned on and the phone is charging right now. Okay, now we will need, as I've said, the power button and the volume up button. And these both buttons we need to press now for the same time and hold them. So long press the power button and the volume up button. The phone will turn on, and if you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you leave your fingers and wait just a few seconds. Then we should come to the recovery menu here at the phone. Here we are. So now you can release your phone from the computer, and here we are at the recovery menu. The touchscreen doesn't work, but you can navigate with the buttons now. So with the volume down key you go down, and with the volume up key you go up. You confirm later with the power button. Okay, now at this list we need the 5th point, wipe data factory reset. So for that you go just 5 steps down. Here below you have red letters. Now then you know that you're on the wipe data factory reset, because the text size is very small here. And after, you need now the power button to confirm, wipe data factory reset, confirm it with the power button. And now you are in the next step, and the phone is asking you now if you're really sure what you're doing, because you will delete everything. Yes, we are. So go down now 1 step here with the one down key, confirm now factory data reset with the power button, and that's it. Okay, the next step is also important, because you need to restart now the phone. So the first point here, reboot system now, it's already marked. So we just confirm now with the power button, and that's it. Now the phone will start brand new with the system, with the operating system. So you have to set up the language, the region, your email address, and so on. I hope I could help you with this video. And I really hope also, if you have a problem with the phone, that everything works now, or that you can resell it for a very good price if you want to do that. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.